Good morning and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. We're taking a look at a 2007 Fontaine aluminum combo 36-foot 6x102 with a universal mounting kit on the back. Brand new straps. Folks, this thing's been turbo blasted, primed and repainted. Kingpin plates in excellent condition. Weighted in the front for a Moffett or a Princeton or a load mac to be mounted in the back. We have an aluminum toolbox, refurb steel outer rims, 22.5 tire, brand new rubber, brand new brakes and drums, spring ride suspension, universal mounting kit on the back. Moffett, Princeton, load mac, many other brands. Just let us know what you have. We'll make any alterations for it to fit. Driver's side here, refurb steel outer rim, brand new rubber, repainted completely all the way around this unit. Landing gears ready to go for you. 2017 Fontaine. Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. Give us a call at 260-238-4998.